Hi everyone, welcome to Live So Fabulous. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'll share my experience of visiting Al Shu'aa Reserve, opened in Qatar in 2018, and it's dedicated to families. Green space worth a visit is located around 1 kilometer of South Al Karma Beach Garden. We took our own lunch and relished it in the beautiful atmosphere. And the good news is the entry fee is free. It also have lots of benches, shaded sitting areas, solar powered lightings in the addition to its green spaces. There are plenty of play areas for kids inside too. Please note, due to COVID-19 restrictions, play area may be closed. The reserve boasts different kinds of trees and animals, such as ducks, tortoises, geese, ostriches, pigeons, goats, rabbits, as well as few Arabian oryx. Your children can interact with some of the animals too. You can spend whole day and have an amazing experience with family. But remember, health comes first. Be safe. Thank you for watching.